People are constantly throwing their money at digital tools that promise total fluency in a week, only to end up with a lighter wallet and zero conversational skills. It is a common story, isn't it? You see the flashy ads, you see the promises of easy success, and you immediately start to wonder if it is all just a clever trap. That is exactly where the specific platform, known as Ewa, sits in the market today. People are skeptical, and they have every right to be. There are so many fake services out there, but when you look at the hard data, things look a bit different. Let us look at the numbers. On the most popular store for Android devices, we are talking about over 10 million downloads. That is a staggering amount of people, and the rating is sitting at a solid 4.6, even on the Apple side. It is holding a 4.7 with nearly 200,000 reviews. These are not just bot numbers. These are real people putting in the time and leaving feedback. One of the things that actually caught my attention was the level of transparency from the team behind the scenes. Usually, these apps hide behind a generic corporate name, but here, we have a real person, a man named Maxim Korn, who is publicly listed as the founder and the chief executive. Knowing there is a real human being accountable for the brand makes a massive difference in how we perceive it. They even provide a physical address and a direct contact number, which is almost unheard of for a mobile application these days. Then, you look at their social media presence. They have over 6 million followers on their main photo sharing page. That is a massive community. They are active. They are posting daily, and they are engaging with their users. But it is not all perfect. If you dig into the user reviews, you start to see the frustration. Some people find the subscription prices to be far too high. Others mention technical glitches, like lessons getting stuck in a loop or the app freezing up. There are also complaints about the pronunciation quality and the point system feeling a bit confusing. Some users feel like the translations are not always natural for daily speech. It is a mixed bag. You have one group who love the movie clips and the interactive games, and another group that feels like they are wasting their time. So, is it a scam? No, definitely not. It is a legitimate business with a real product, but is it worth your money? That is the real question. The best way to handle this is to avoid the big commitment right away. Stick to the free version for a bit, test the waters, see if the games actually help you remember new words. Only then, if you find yourself actually making progress, should you even think about paying for the full experience. It is a real tool, but it only works if it fits your specific style of learning. Do not let the marketing rush you. Take it slow and see if it actually works for you. Because your time and money are valuable, focus on what feels natural, and do not be afraid to walk away if it does not click.